Hello, hello. This is Garden Talk Jamaican. I am going to harvest some potatoes today. They are ready, as you can see. So these are red rose. I have some red rose here, about 3 roots of red rose. And I've got some yellow potatoes. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Let's harvest together. Let's see what we got. Begun to split, I guess. Too much water. So these are red rose. Some tiny babies. The soil was not the best. This was virgin soil I used and then conditioned it a bit, but still have clay in it. So some tiny babies. I don't expect anything in this end because okay. All right, let's go into this root. I think I'll do this one. See what's up here. Excuse me, let me reposition the camera. All right, let's see what we have here. Not too bad. Ah, this is a nice size one. Oh yeah. Aha, not a nice size. Not bad at all. All right, now this root is doing good. Really good. Uh-huh. Just to show you that the soil has a lot to do with the harvest, because this and this end the soil is more loose and that end has more clay. See, the soil is very important. So as I go along, I will keep reconditioning the soil, and as a matter of fact, I'll cover it with straw so that it doesn't dry out too much. And I'll keep also putting compost here from, like, you know, kitchen scraps and stuff like that. Okay, I think this is that one. That's what we have. Oh, here's another one. Oh, and this one is big. Uh-oh, nice size. Okay, I think I'm going to go on to this one. This one over here. Reposition the camera that we can get a better shot of that one. Yeah, that should do it. Yep, yeah, this one. Okay, go to this root. Nice size. Looks like we have anything else here. And there again, soil is a mix, lots of clay, but over time it will change as I continue to add compost and that sort of thing. Yep, I'll till this soil like here. I'll till it real deep, and then I will start adding burying compost to it. I mean, you know, raw compost that it breaks down. Okay, I don't know that I have another red rose, but this one still has a lot of green leaves. I think I'll go on to this one. I'm not sure what I have here. This might be another red rose. Here it is. Yep. Well, I think that's the red rose. I think that's about it. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4 roots of red rose. And this is the haul from it, from the 4 roots of red rose. Not bad at all. Not bad, not bad. Considering this was virgin soil that I started, and it didn't have a lot of conditioning done onto it. So this is it. Now, I think since, this one is looking really bad. think I'm going to go on to something else. I'm going to go on to some yellow, a few roots of the yellow potatoes and see what it is. I understand that yellow potatoes this is where they got Yukon Gold from. I'm not sure. I have no clue. So this is the hull from the red rose. And I'll pour it out. And I think I'll do a couple roots of yellow potatoes because they are going to. So let's see what we got here. Sun is coming up. Yep. Sun is coming. All right. I'm not sure what we have going on here, but we're gonna try this one. See what's up. I'm not sure if this is a red rose. Don't think it is. Yeah, I think it's one of those yellow potatoes. And I don't know how well this one did, but we'll see if it did anything. All right now. What's going on here, is it? Well, let's see if there's anything happening here. A few tiny ones. All right. Not much. Nothing much from that root. Nope. Alright, this one is still growing. I don't know where that one is gonna go. It's still growing. But I'm leaving them and see if they'll do anything. Alright, so there wasn't anything much from that yellow potato. So I think we'll go to the other side and see if we can get something from these that are going really fast. So let's see if we have anything from these yellow potatoes. I'm not sure. Okay, let's check out this root. They are going fast too. So let's see if we have anything from this root. Looking good. Again, that's a clay. Not much depth to it at all. with good soil. Lots of clay. All right. All right, now let's see this one. Maybe this one. Let's go to this one over here and see what we have. Tiny ones. Not bad. Decent size. Decent. Yeah. Today again. All right, let's go to another one. We have 2 roots over here. Let's check out these. Or maybe this one. All right, let's go to this root here. Repositioning the camera. All right. Hope you can see this one. Nope, you can't. But I can, so let's reposition it again. That's a little better. Let's still reposition it a little bit. Yeah, good. Yeah, that's better. So let's see what we got on this one. All right. See if we can. This ground was pretty dry though. Pretty, you know. It needs a whole lot of good soil in it to grow some good potatoes. All right. Let's see. Okay, let's go on to this one and see what we have here. Oh, we got some green potatoes. All right, now let's see what we have here. Babies. I think this lower level harvest is due mainly to the soil condition. Yep. Soil. Yeah, soil. Not bad. Because they have been fed, you know, with good fertilizer. So, I think they could have done with some more compost. I think we could have done with some more compost. So since I'm at it, I'm just gonna see if there's anything here under this little one. much. Soil is really poor on this side. Yep, lots of clay. Not much. Yep. All right. So, do we dare do, oh, this one. We're gonna do this one. Let's see what we have over here on this one. Maybe more promising. Let's reposition again. Excuse me. Sun is coming up now. Yeah, you can see this one. Let's do this one before the sun comes really up. I think that this is a russet though. This is not a yellow potato. This is russet. So they say that russet doesn't do very well in Georgia. So let's see if, aha, look at that, look at that, look at that. Russet doesn't do well. They say you can't grow russet in Georgia. But look at this. Ha ha. This is a nice baked potato. Hey. That's a nice one right there. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can grow russet. You might not get a whole lot of russet, but you can grow russet. So I put one potato, and I got how many? Yeah, 3, I guess. Yeah. But this gives me hope that russet can grow in Georgia. Because those are 2 big size russet that was not planted in great soil. I am not displeased at all. This is 2 nice big roast baked potatoes. Wow. Yep. All right now. Yes, 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 yes. Let's see what we got. All right. So, I tell you what. And you don't know what, but I'm going to show you what. I am going to check out this little one here too. And see. It's almost dead. So, you know. Yeah. Let me go on to this big one here. Because it's going to this one. This one is going. I think we're gonna do this one. Hope you can see it. I am going to push my camera back a little. Yeah. This is it. It's a big root. Let's see if we have anything from it. Or what we got. I want you to see the whole thing. Yeah. I hope you can. Well, so here it is. Another russet. See what we have from it. Well, this was the seed. The seed potato is very much intact. Look at it. All right now. So this is what we got. Hey, another very big guy from that russet. The russet's not doing too bad. I mean, I'm not getting a whole lot, but I planted a half a potato, and this is what I got from it. I am good. Gives me hope. Gives me hope that you can plant russet. Because that's a half a potato I planted. Look at this big one. This is a nice big roast potato. See? This is the half that I planted. Still intact. That's interesting. All right, maybe I should replant it. All right, there you go. All right, now let's see if we get anything from this little root here. I might as well. I think they're ready. I don't think they're gonna go much further. I better just get rid of them. Get them out of the ground. Let's see if there's anything in here. This is another yellow potato. Didn't do that great, but that's okay. I think it's the clay though. This clay, ooh, lots of clay soil. Yep. From this little root. When the roots are puny, you know, you ain't gonna get a great amount from it. From puny roots, nah. All right, we have somebody growing here. We have one big root over there, and I think I am going to just do it. So these are the Russets. So far, big potatoes, which we like. My husband likes anyway because he likes baked potatoes. So these are big, pretty big potatoes. 4 nice sized potatoes. Yep. And this is the haul from the yellow potatoes. Not great, a little bit, not great, but it's good, no problem. It's not great. You're not gonna get any big roast but baked potatoes from this, but they're good. Good for soup, good for mashing. Not bad at all. This is what we got. And something bit me. All right, this is what we got from the yellow potatoes. I'm gonna dump this. And I think I'm going to do one more root of russet and see what we get from it. And this is the seed, another half. Considering the ground is so clay, I am so happy with the harvest that I'm getting because, you know, how I ended up planting these Russets is that I went to the grocery store and they had this bag of Russets they begun to grow. It was like $5 and they began to grow, and I decided, oh, I'm going to plant some russet. They say russet doesn't grow in Georgia. Well, let's see. Let's push the envelope and see. I'm not listening to that. Big. That's what I like about it. We have some big baking potatoes. So we'll see how they taste, eh? Ooh, that's the thing. The taste is in the pudding. All right. I think I'm going to harvest one more root this big root and see what we get from it before. So I'm basically exhausting this bed. Before the sun really gets, as we say in Jamaica, get ragging. Alright now. So, this is the big root. This is a big one. Hey, and it has some nice ones on it. Little bit of green at the end, but that no problem. That can be cut off. Look at this, people. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This looks like a bunch. What it did was it grew like a bunch on the main potato. Look at this. This is the main that I planted. And these things just hung off of it. It's half a potato. Hung off of it like a bunch. Look at that. It grows almost like Magic Molly. Look at that. And this is interesting. That's interesting. That's very interesting. Let's pick off the little babies. So let's see what else we got down here. I'm excited. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at this. This is bumpy. I think we had something. Maybe a little hole. I don't know. Oh, yeah. That was good. You know, again, case in point. Look at the soil. Look at the soil. See? This tells me the better the soil, the more loose the soil, the better the harvest. So if the soil was loose like this right through, we'd have some good. This is a taro, a baby taro. Interesting. We'll stick it back in the soil. Because I'm not planting anything around here. So guess what? Hey, if you leave a seed too careless with me, I am going to plant it. So there you go. Taro. Yeah, I like taro. Yeah, but the ones with a little purple streak in it, that's the one I love. So, half of potato. Well, 3/4. It was a big potato. I think this thing grew. That potato wasn't so big. And this is the haul from, what, 1, 2, 3. 3 roots of russet. Or 4 roots of russet. 3 roots, I think. Yeah. One didn't do nothing, really. And so, this is the haul. And they say, russets don't grow in Georgia. No, that's not true. It can grow. And as a matter of fact, the better the soil, the better the russet, the better the harvest. So that ain't no true. Russet do grow in Georgia. Little yellow potato. Yeah. A little yellow root. Yeah. That's kind of interesting. Let's add this. So that's it. Russet grow in Georgia. Russet grow in Georgia, people. It grows. Plant it, it grows. So I thank you for watching my video. I appreciate you. And for those who are returning, I appreciate you. Those who are new, I appreciate you. Thank you for liking them. And as usual, I cannot leave without imparting a blessing unto you. The Lord bless you. May He bless the work of your hands continually, and planting hope and faith. Peace.